Hello guys, welcome to my channel Zoom in Zoom Out. So today we are having the Oral-B Vitality Cross Action Brush. So this is powered by Braun. So this is an amazing brush which is coated superior flake removal, and it has two modes, round head and the quadrant timings. So it has lots of features, and come on, let's see one by them. It has waterproof handle, and there are being given so much guarantee. And there are two modes, daily clean and sensitive mode. So we can scan the QR code to get the instructions about the brush. So come on, let's unbox it. So this brush had an amazing unboxing experience and a neat packaging. So here we are having that brush box, and here is this head of the brush, and this is the user manual. So come on, let's see through them. So this is the user manual of the brush. It has detailed instructions about how to use the brush. So we can read this before using the brush. And this is the handle of the brush. So it had a very firm body, and it was very grippy. So there is one power button to switch it on and off. So come on, let's open this box. So this box is containing the power supply dock. So we can place our brush in this dock so that it gets charged. So this is the head of the brush. We can change the head on. It had a ring inside the brush. So the bristles are also very nice. We are having logo of the Oral-B here in the head. So now we can fix the head in the handle like this. And it's very easy to set up this brush. Okay guys, now let's power on it. Wow, it's very fast, and it's also sensitive. It's suitable for all ages about years 10. So guys, this is how we have to charge the brush, by placing the brush in the dock. And guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Until then, it's Zoom in Zoom Out.